Everyone is talking about AI agents like they are better than sliced bread. And maybe they are for some things. But if what you actually need is your onboarding emails to go out, your invoices to get filed, and the client follow-ups to stop falling through the cracks, you don't really need an agent. What you need is automation. And those are definitely not the same things. To better understand the difference, let's compare Relay, an AI agent builder, to Stepper, our trusty automation tool. Traditional automation is like a recipe. Something acts as the trigger to run a set of predefined steps, then it's done. You build it and you know exactly what it does every single time. Tools like Stepper are designed for these kind of workflows, whereas an AI agent is more like an employee that you've briefed. You give it the goals, the tools, and then it figures out how to get there. It can make judgment calls. AI agents can also adapt, and because of that, it can handle situations you don't explicitly plan for. Both are incredibly powerful for small businesses, but are useful for completely different things. Automation is great for the stuff you do the same way every single time, whereas on the other side, agents are great for more arbitrary things like research, drafting responses based on context, and tasks where the answer is not always the same. So diving deeper into Relay. Relay started as a human-in-the-loop automation tool. You could build workflows where humans reviewed and approved before things moved forward, and no automation tool at the time was doing this. Now they've evolved into a fully AI agent platform. So you build agents that work autonomously across 100 plus apps that make decisions, take actions, and check back in with you only when needed. The human-in-the-loop piece is still there, but now it's just one feature inside of a much bigger system that's designed around AI doing work on your behalf. So for instance, I can have an AI agent scrape my Google tasks and send me an email summary over everything that's outstanding each month. If you're trying to delegate judgment, not tasks, Relay is built for that. And for $19 a month, users get 750 steps and 2,000 AI credits to use within their AI agent workflows. Stepper, on the other hand, is built for the other job, the repetitive admin tasks that eat your week, not because they're hard, but because there's so many of them and they all require you to remember to do them. The really great thing is that Stepper even helps you build these workflows using their AI chatbot. You describe what you want in plain English, and in no time, Stepper builds it. It runs the same way every single time, and it's reliable without making any decisions you didn't authorize. So for instance, when a form submission comes in, I can automatically send a universal email with more details. This is not an agent. There's no AI deciding anything. It's just simple. If this happens, then this, every single time. And that's the point. The other great part about Stepper is that their components feature allows you to save pieces of your workflow and easily reuse them across any workflow you build in the future. For most small business owners, that's 80% of what they actually need automated. And because the workflows run more often, Stepper Access has no steps for AI limit for the same price as Relay, $19 a month. However, Stepper's free plan can absolutely solve 90% of your automations too. With any workflow, ask yourself, does this task always look the same or does it require judgment? If it's always the same, new clients sign up, send welcome email, create a project folder, notify your team. That's going to be Stepper all the way. You build it once and you forget about it. But if it requires judgment, like researching this lead, figuring out what they care about, drafting a personalized outreach, that could be an agent, and Relay could be the solution. Most small businesses have way more of the first kind than they realize, and a lot of people are researching for agent tools when they actually need is just a solid, reliable automation for the repetitive stuff they keep doing manually. In my opinion, neither tool is better. They're both cool and they're both built for very different jobs. But being honest about which job you actually need done is how you not only stop buying tools you won't use, but getting things automated quicker. If your to-do list is full of tasks that look the same every single week, Stepper is going to give you your time back faster than anything else. And if you're ready to hand actual decision making to AI, Relay is worth exploring. Links to both are below, but as always, drop a comment with the task you most want off your plate and I'll help you decide. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.